Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open a browser and go to PNBindia. To begin registration for net banking. Choose the net banking option and click New User Registration to start the process. Enter your customer ID or account number exactly as printed on your passbook or statement. Provide the last ATM transaction amount for verification when prompted. Create a strong login password and set a 4-digit MPIN for mobile confirmations. Confirm your email and mobile number for OTP verification to enable full net banking access. Return to the net banking login page and enter your customer ID and password carefully. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication using the 4-digit MPIN or a one-time OTP sent to your registered mobile. After successful authentication, reach the home dashboard that shows accounts, funds transfer, bill pay, and e-services tiles. Click Accounts to view balances and transaction history in list or PDF statement format. Use the search and menu icons to quickly access scheduled payments and beneficiary management sections. To transfer funds, first add beneficiaries under Manage Payees by providing name, account number, and IFSC code. Allow beneficiary activation, which may need OTP or a cooling period before first transfer. Choose NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS based on urgency and available hours for processing. Enter the transfer amount and confirm using your MPIN or OTP to authorize the transaction. Review transaction limits and charges on the transfer screen before confirming. Always log out, clear cache on public devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.